Today, it's really a great experience for me to sit with my dear students, to listen to very different type of lecture, that a new concept which is coming up, and we have to understand that. First thing, what Shomi established is why we should look at beyond sustainability, how we can make that sustainability to sustain. And that's how the particular area of regenerative education, she explained to all of us. So regenerative, this particular term we used in our recent past in all different types of regenerative therapy, specifically with respect to the different types of operative and surgeries. As well as when the stem cell therapy in general started, we call that is also something to do with regenerative. And that thing, how it actually work out in the field of education and bringing the concept of system thinking, the eco-pedagogy, and the 4 pillars on which this particular concept is going to develop is something which is very new to me, and I was really overwhelmed.